What's up, ladies and gentlemen? A freezing cold day. So a lot of you have asked, what's up with the Chevy Cruze? It was in an accident. Oh my goodness. Well, let me show you. I'll show you what happened here. This is a parking lot accident. One of my Turo renters got backed into it. It was not the renter's fault. It was the other party's fault. Scuffed up this. There's some red paint here. Some red paint here. A crack here. Got a couple small cracks on the grill. We got a little bit of paint over here as well. The hood is bent, so the hood's done for. The hood needed replaced anyway. It had a big dent coming outward here where the paint cracked. The last time it was in an accident, the hood got bent here, and you can see kind of it's cracking because that bend is still there. So that's the damage. That's it. And Turo already paid me out $1,675 for the damage. So to give you an idea, I'm going to replace the back bumper because it's been, I made in damages, I made $1,700 and something on this rear bumper alone because it's been wrecked so many times. It's held in with screws. So I'm going to replace this bumper. That's going to cost me, maybe 150 bucks. The windshield has been cracked forever. And when I say forever, I mean literally. A rock hit me and it turned into this giant crack. The windshield's 180, so about 150 for the bumper, 180, so you're looking at about 320. The hood's probably going to be about 100, so there's about 420. I'm not going to replace the bumper. I'm going to clean all that mess off of it, push that crack back in and glue it, and that's it. So, I'm looking at spending maybe $350 or so. Maybe. No, I'm wrong. About 450 bucks. I'll say about $450. I'll have a windshield. I'll have the back bumper. I'll have the front, not the front bumper, the hood replaced. And the car will look, good as new. Good as new. And I got paid $1,700 for this. Not to mention the $1,700 I made on the back bumper alone. With Turo, you can really make some good money when people damage your car, because they'll pay you out, like in 2 days. You get the money in your bank account, and you can do what you want with it after that. So at the end of the day, how can I complain? I have literally made a small fortune on repairs that I have yet to do on the Chevy Cruze. But I figured just let people keep trashing it. I'll keep getting paid. Eventually, I'll go ahead and fix it. But I think we've reached the point where I actually do want to take care of a couple things. The front bumper, I'm not worried about. We'll clean it up. I'll show you guys the after we're done cleaning up. We'll get the paint off. The front bumper will be fine. The hood we need to replace. The back bumper we need to replace. So we're going to take care of that, and I'll go down and get my windshield replaced as well because that crack is annoying. And, maybe we'll do a couple small maintenance items. And, hey, the rest of that money can go right back in to Copart. You know what I mean? That money can not only fix the car so that it will make more money through rentals, but it can also be used to buy cars from Copart and make more money. Or IAA or Facebook or whatever. Facebook Marketplace. God, guys, I'm tired, all right? I don't know what day you're going to see this video, but for me, I have been out in the freezing cold all day with John and Tim, and we've been recording video and looking over all these cars. The auction coming up is a great auction. There are so many cars that I want. It's kind of unreal, and I'm really at a loss. I don't know what to get because there are so many damn good cars coming up on this auction. In fact, you know what? It's Monday. I'll tell you this. It's Monday, and I didn't get a video out today because I've been so busy getting everything done. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and release this video to you guys today so you can see the damages on the Chevy Cruze. Tomorrow will be the Copart walk around. I've got hours of footage that I need to edit down on that today to get it ready for you guys tomorrow. And all I can say is please cross your fingers that the auction goes well on Tuesday. There are so many cars that I'm wanting to snatch up. Unfortunately, I don't have the money to snatch them all up. Anyway, I think I'm going to get out of here. I appreciate you all taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Chevy Cruze. And Turo can be really good, not just for the mileage deduction, but when a customer slightly damages the car, Turo has paid out very fairly and very quickly. And, you know, this goes back to, like, it's similar to Copart. Now, hey, fix it yourself. Go buy OEM parts that are already painted. You know, get it from LKQ or your pick apart, pull apart yard, or, you know, whatever you got to do, carpart.com. Fix it yourself, save your money, and you can use that money for other good stuff. So Turo's great on stuff like that. I just want to give a big shout out to Turo for handling this. And no, Turo, they don't care who I am. They don't know I've got 100,000 subscribers. So that's not why. They've literally taken very good care of me. And I can't be more happy with them, at least currently. So with that being said, I think we're going to bounce up out of here. If you enjoyed the content, give the video a big thumbs up. If you think the content sucks, give it a big thumbs down. Don't forget to comment below. Tell me what you think. Stay safe out there, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the Copart walk around tomorrow. I will catch you all very, very soon in the next one.